Hi, it's Molly from the Inside Voice, and today we're doing part 3 of our vocal stamina series. Today we're going to cover some less tangible but just as important ingredients for vocal stamina: self-awareness and, frankly, making good vocal choices. What do I mean by self-awareness? Well, no one knows your voice quite like you do, not even your voice teacher. Part of learning to sing is simply paying attention. Everyone is different. Don't let anyone tell you that someone else's routine is what you need to be doing for optimal vocal comfort. As voice teachers, we can give you advice based on research and what tends to be true for a lot of people, but there is no one-size-fits-all approach. Also, be open to the fact that things will change over time. That high note might make you tired fast now, but after a year of working on your voice, you might be able to sing it with no problem. Use all of this self-knowledge to make wise decisions about your voice. If you're going to be singing a solo performance for 90 minutes, and know that you can only belt about 3 songs before your voice starts to peter out, you probably don't want to pick more than 2 or 3 difficult belt songs for your set. Choose plenty of filler songs that don't tax you as much. Sometimes you won't have a say over which songs you sing, like if you're a solo singer in a musical or an opera or something. In this case, make the necessary adjustments in vocal quality where it's possible to do so. No, if you're Elsa in Frozen on Broadway, you probably can't sing all of Let It Go in head voice. Sorry. But maybe you can choose to build the song more slowly and save your biggest belt for the end of the song. Maybe you should sing with a quiet intensity on "Don't let them in, don't let them see," instead of a full throttle "Don't let them in, don't let them see." The gist is this: you're an athlete and you have these competing things happening. On the one hand, you have a finite amount you can give. Even with good technique, your voice simply won't hold up without rest, especially with the most taxing forms of singing. On the other hand, as a singer, you don't always have the option of doing what's optimal for your voice. It's not always feasible to cancel days of your tour when your voice isn't in peak condition. It isn't always possible to just use head voice or sing quietly when you're the lead in a musical. So you have to make some choices. If you're having a hard time making it through your music, what's the minimum you can do without losing the integrity of your performance? Different shows and different venues will require different output from you, and you'll need to make the best choices for your voice given the parameters at hand. For our complete video, which recaps the many ways you can improve your vocal stamina, head to theinsidevoice.org. See you soon!